Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. We're going to kick it off with a plan with me. It is Tuesday, December 11th. No, the 10th. Well, I just had a little mini panic attack. My littlest brothers, I know I recently popped up my family tree, but here it is again, just in case you missed that one. I have 8 younger siblings. Sorry, I had to think about how to spell Tuesday while I was saying that sentence. And my youngest siblings, which is a fun question. I was chatting with somebody at the party last weekend, and I was saying that about how I have, 8 younger siblings, and he goes, what's the youngest? What's the biggest age gap? So my twin brothers will be 16 tomorrow. Tomorrow, they will be driving a car. They are going to the DMV to get their licenses anyway. So I cannot believe those little tiny peanuts. Because my brother and sister, sorry, this is getting emotional for a Tuesday morning. My brother and sister who live here in Chicago that I am super close with, I do have memories of them being little, but it's more about their toddler ages that I have memories of. Allie maybe a little bit more so when she was a baby. I was 9 when she was born, but the twins, I was a senior in high school. I remember them being babies. So anyway, let's get today all planned out. I decided to go happy and bright pink today. So as always, kicking it off with I don't know why I made those dots so small, my AM routine, and then prepping the video. I don't think I'm gonna have time to work out today. I stayed up too late watching the Cowboys fall apart. So that is that. I was super consistent last week, and I worked out Monday through Thursday. This week, we are 2 for 2 so far, so that's good. And then in terms of actual plans, so it is a daycare day for little Miss Lyla girl. So I'm gonna drop off Lyla. So I think then I'm gonna head to a coffee shop that I love. I feel like I've talked about it before. One of you actually recommended it to me, but it's a favorite of mine. And I'm going to power through any sort of computer work. So that is going to be the communication routine. I'm going to plan the reels. I did the content plan yesterday, so that's good. Prep the workshop. And then I'm trying to push this until lunch. I'm trying to see, is there anything from over here that I want to pull over? I could do one set of these emails, and then we'll see. I could start planning. Let's start with those things. So my thought process is that I would hammer through, is that a phrase? Through some computer work at a coffee shop in the morning. And then I'm gonna hit Trader Joe's on the way home from the coffee shop. And then have lunch and also get the laundry in. That's my other plan here. And if you saw yesterday's video and yesterday's PM routine, a lot of laundry that I need to get to today. So I'm gonna get the laundry in. And then at home, because I can't do these things at a coffee shop, obviously, I am going to film and actually film the reels. So I have 3 videos that I'm going to film. It's a little mini series that's going to kick off the new year. You'll see those in a couple of weeks. And then the next batch of reels for Instagram. And so I'm going to film those. That should take me about, depending, who knows? I'm estimating all of these things here. So depending on how long all of these things take, that should take me until I'm going to go pick her up. But just in case it doesn't, I'm going to make a little plan at the end of the day that if I get through all of these things, I'm going to start to play catch up with my December daily. One of the reasons I've been slightly putting it off, I don't know if putting it off is the right word. Some of it is time. I've been prioritizing other things. But I've also been slightly putting it off because there was a photographer at the party we went to on Friday, and he took a professional photo of me and Sam and our friends that we were celebrating. And I want that picture for my December daily, and we still haven't gotten them yet. And now they're on a vacation. So I think I'm just gonna have to accept it and move on and decide if I'm gonna leave a space for that photo or how I'm gonna tackle that. So I need to jump back in because I'm quite a few days behind. Not behind, I just have quite a few days to do at this point, and I want to at least start mapping it out and planning it. So that's what I'm gonna do there. And then I will go pick up my girl. And then we will come home and cook dinner. I'm going to Trader Joe's for some specific things and not for dinner. Sam, my husband, went to the grocery store earlier this week for like our normal staples, went to our like normal grocery store. Although once we move, Trader Joe's might be our more normal grocery store because it's going to be closer, which is so exciting. Anyway, I already have stuff for dinner. I'm stopping at Trader Joe's because I need coffee. That is where I get my favorite coffee. We need Bombas for Lyla, although the last couple times we went to Trader Joe's, they've been out of them, except for the chocolate-covered ones, which is not what I want. And eggs. Y'all, the price of eggs, man, it's just chaos. Like, they are so much less expensive. Although the last time I went to Trader Joe's, actually, we didn't need eggs because we just had gone to Costco. They were out of them, so we'll see. Anyway, and then my PM routine. So in terms of the couple of little things from yesterday's list that I didn't get to, I never watered the plants, so that's unfortunate for them. I never prepped the returns, but that's okay. We also have to venture out of the house for daycare tomorrow. So what I was thinking was today, let me tackle Trader Joe's. Tomorrow, let me tackle the returns. And I have a package to pick up at the UPS store. So between those two things, like those will be tomorrow's errands. So, okay, I'm rambling. It's time to get to work. All right, I just realized I forgot to change the focus mode for that plan with me portion. So sorry if that was a little in and out of focus. Oh, would you like to show your outfit? Can you say hi? This is another hand-me-down. It's just like a soft sweatshirt with little hearts on it and these little pink pants. Yeah. This is actually one of the things we have that still fits her that's in the size before this. Are you playing peekaboo with yourself? She's so cute. Her hair is already a little messed up because we were playing with the blanket. Yeah, hi. Oh, where are you going? She's on the other side of the camera. What I really want to show you. Can you come here, please? Okay. Can you turn around? I want to show the back of your head. I want to show your curls. Yeah, you want to show the vlog your book? Okay. So her hair has started to have these little curls. No, I want to show them your curls, Peanut. She's like, no, Mom. Look at those. Look at those little curls. So if you have any suggestions of like how to enhance these cute little curls on the bottom of her head, I will take them. All right. It's chilly out. I didn't bring the stand that I hold my camera on, so we'll see how long my arm lasts holding it. Just holding the camera. This camera's heavy. So I just left the coffee shop. Again, it's called Ludlow Charlington's. It's so cute. It's like dog themed and they are very dog friendly and they always have dog treats. And then today I even noticed they have like a donation box they take to animal shelters. So cute. Anyways, it's about 11:30. I got everything I wanted to get done this morning done, which feels fantastic. I feel like I'm in good shape. So I'm gonna head to Trader Joe's now and get that. I hesitated for a second because I was like, I could do this after I pick up Lyla because I take her with me to Trader Joe's, but maybe it'll be easier, more relaxing to do it by myself. And I was also debating because it's, like I said, about 11:30 and I am hungry. I'm getting hungry. I'm ready for lunch, and so I was going grocery shopping while hungry. Good idea. We will see, but it's literally on my walk home, so. Okay, let me quickly show you what I got at Trader Joe's. Sorry, it's all facing this way because I just took a picture of it for the thumbnail. That is a behind the scenes that has been working really well for me this year, is that instead of waiting until I go do like the description box of the video to figure out what I want the thumbnail to be, I have been snapping photos throughout the day. So I have options and like photos on my phone. Anyway, so I got some eggs. They did increase their prices as well. So I need to get back to Target because they may be comparable with Target now. Still less expensive than our like grocery store that's in our neighborhood, Mariano's. All still less expensive than Costco. And then they had Bombas. Oh my gosh. Lyla girl is going to be so excited when she gets home from daycare and gets to have Bombas. I also grabbed this for the freezer. We almost always keep the like frozen vegetable medley, not necessarily the Trader Joe's ones. Literally any brand will do, but we always keep this on stock for on hand for Lyla. And then stocked up on another essential favorite of mine, which is the cold brew concentrate from Trader Joe's. I also realized last night I was almost out of these. I showed these last night in the PM routine vlog. And these are the like cleansing pads that I use from Trader Joe's. And then this hopped into my basket. I have been on such a tea kick from the advent calendar. And as you've probably noticed, I'm such a black tea fan. And this was like a seasonal one and it just sounded so good. And it was Trader Joe's. So I think it was like $2.19 or something. So I'm really, really excited to try this. We're going to open the advent calendar first and see if there's something in there that I want to drink today, or I may try this too. Okay, it is almost 1 o'clock, which is definitely later than I intended. Hi, sweet girl. I don't know. I guess I just assumed that like getting home, putting the groceries away, eating my lunch. I also did put my makeup on so that I could film. I decided not to do my hair for time's sake, but like I said, it is almost 1 o'clock. So let's get these advent calendars open so that I can get filming. All right, what day are we on for you, sweet girl? 8? Oh my gosh, y'all. I have been seeing this post in our local Facebook groups, and then I saw a physical sign today. There's a sweet kitty in our neighborhood that is missing that looks so much like Charlie. So much like Charlie. It makes me so sad for the owners. Oh my gosh, and the kitty. Okay. Char. Oh my goodness, it is a fishy with a hat and a feather, and I bet there's catnip in here. Ooh, do you want this? Yeah, into that one. Girl is into that one. Okay. Tea day 10. Oh my gosh, we're repeating them. Are we? I thought there were 25 on the back here. It definitely looked like there were 25 different ones on the back there. But I will take another day of this chocolate caramel black tea. You don't have to tell me twice. Who's back? Hi. Hi. Okay. And then candle. Although, to be honest, the candles are like overtaking my desk because I haven't made it through one full one yet. So I may like open this and smell it. But to be honest, I probably just to like stay on top of these, but I probably won't light it. I'm probably going to keep lighting the ones I have on my desk until I get, and then when I get, oh my God, I cannot open this. And then when I get through one, then I will add another one. Oh, frozen spruce though. I bet this smells like a Christmas tree. Oh, it does. Oh my gosh. Okay. I may make one more exception. And then we just need to use the ones we have, right, Charlie? You want to smell it? Okay, let's check in with the planner. Obviously, I went to Trader Joe's. I got all the videos filmed. I got all the reels done. The laundry is probably done in the dryer. I just haven't gone to get it out yet. So that feels good. So I'm pretty much done with work stuff for the day. I have about an hour until I'm going to go get Lyla. So what I'm probably going to do, I mean, because she's still asleep, so I can't go get her now anyway. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to get these personal things done, water the plants, prep the returns, and get the laundry done. And then we'll see how I'm feeling. I may do December daily, or what I may do is I started today. I just like kind of was on a roll when I was at the coffee shop. I actually started working on the plan, which is on tomorrow's list, but I may dip my toe back into that. Just planning gives me a lot of energy, and save the December daily stuff for tomorrow. I feel like I don't necessarily want to lose my December daily momentum, although I kind of feel like I have already lost my December daily momentum, says the person who just filmed 3 videos about momentum. So I think that's what I'm going to do some personal stuff, tidy up my office, and then if there is any time left before I'm going to go get her, then I will work on the plan. All right, it is much later. Lyla is in bed. Well, it's later, but she's also in bed earlier than normal because she is always just exhausted after daycare. Daycare days, she gets to bed much earlier. So I finished all the rest of my personal things. I know I'm checking in way later because I just powered through all those personal things and then went and got Lyla, and then we just hung out and played, cooked a very simple dinner, literally just chicken, sweet potatoes, and asparagus. Charlie, can you not walk on the laptop, please? Thank you. I feel like I have been finding my rhythm or my groove with vlogging during Vlogmas, but still feeling like I'm like there and not like picking up the camera. And I feel like a lot of that is, I feel like I'm not articulating this well because I'm tired. I feel like a lot of that happens in like the evenings, is that I don't typically show a lot of our evenings because I'm just like living our evenings. I actually think that's the December daily story I'm going to do today, is like just how much I'm like enjoying life right now. My hair is doing crazy things. Just how much I just like, I took a cute selfie with Lyla. It might end up being the thumbnail for today. And I just like, I don't know, I'm just happy. I'm like, things are good. So I'm a kitty now, snuggling me and purring. Anyway, so I think because Lyla's in bed a little bit earlier, I think I'm going to take a bath actually. Since I got a lot done today, I think I'm just going to enjoy and make a cup of tea. I actually heard Sam start the kettle probably to make a cup for himself. So I think I'm gonna make a cup of tea and take a bath and watch a YouTube video, Vlogmas video from earlier today. And that's it. I'm gonna call it a day. I don't really know what was in this video other than a grocery haul. What is the thumbnail gonna be? We'll see. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me today on maybe a little bit more of a boring day. I am still gonna squeeze in, I think I'm gonna do my morning routine on Thursday of this week. And then I think next week I'm gonna slot in my reading updates. Like I'm gonna do one day, I'm gonna talk about my 2024 reading goals and how they went. And then one video will be my 2025. This is gonna be, I'm gonna ask actually, if you watch all the way to the end, especially before we do the emoji, are there any other last minute requests you have for Vlogmas? Things you want me to include in vlogs in the next week and a half while I'm still vlogging? Now, the emoji. If you did make it all the way to the end, please comment with the grocery cart, like the grocery shopping cart emoji, since I did a grocery haul in this vlog. Okay, that's gonna be it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every week focused on helping you achieve your goals and every day here during Vlogmas. See you tomorrow. It is, I feel like